Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best LEGO Junior set. Here are the top 3 LEGO Junior sets that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. LEGO Juniors 4+ Mountain Police Chase Building Kit. This kit includes a helicopter, snowmobile, and police car with space for 2 minifigures. The Mountain Police Chase set is a 115-piece building kit with 3 vehicles. This kit includes 2 police officers, a robber, and a helicopter with spinning rotors. The set also has 3 vehicles: the robber's car, the police cruiser, and the helicopter. It has 7 minifigures, including 2 police officers and 5 crooks. At number 2. LEGO Juniors Demolition Site Toy. It includes a bulldozer, crane, and truck. The bulldozer has an opening cab with space to store the included construction worker minifigure. There are 2 different types of bricks in this kit: basic bricks and special pieces that can be used on the crane or truck. It features an excavator, bulldozer, and crane. The set includes 5 figures: a construction worker, foreman in hard hat with megaphone, female figure wearing safety vest and carrying a clipboard, male figure wearing goggles and holding chainsaw. At number 1. LEGO Juniors Shark Attack Building Kit. It includes 2 minifigures, a surfer girl and a shark, plus an animal friend, surfboard, boat with oars, and more. The set also features a large buildable shark that can open its mouth to reveal the hidden treasure inside. This kit includes a shark figure and a seagull figure. It also has many different colors of bricks that can be used in creative ways. This set includes 108 pieces that are compatible with other LEGO Junior sets for endless creative play possibilities. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.